What is up, guys? Steven here. Today we'll be playing the one, the only Troll of the Year. Let's see who we get in this Troll of the Year pack. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! I got FIFA 10 Peakway. FIFA 10 Team of the Year Peakway. Or 11 or 12. Team of the Year PK. Oh my god. I cannot save that. Well, it's okay, I guess, because I actually packed Iniesta, and right now we're not actually looking for PK that's that bad. Seriously. I feel like I should skip that because that's just bad. And we get, wow, Gervinho, Holtby, and we, only good player we have is Aguero. Next, our good player is Aguero. Let's see. Wow, that's some trolls. That's 233 hype. Wow, what a troll. Let's see what's next. The washi. Nope. Nothing. We do have an inform, so kind of good. Oh, actually, somewhere about a K, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what we get. Oh, we got Bruno and Zabletta. I actually love Zabletta in my squad because he's just OP in defending in FIFA 15 and 16 as well. So, we also have Balassi and Kamara. Oh my god. Holy shit. I think Kamara was the, oh my. I think Kamara was the first purple, I mean the second purple. And we have that, oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, someone's calling me. I have to go. Holy shit. Oh my god, we just got... Okay, at first I thought it was a troll because you had fake Pogba and fake Hazard. But then we have the FIFA 13 Team of the Year Iniesta. Or I think it's... Oh my god, stop this. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I just lost 123,000 hype. That's just bad. We got no one now. Great, I'm just gonna skip it to the next pack. Oh my god. Cannot believe it. Just I can't. I've lost 125,000 hype. That's bullshit. We get no one there. Fudge me. Oh my god, my luck now. Now my luck is just bad. Got Bruno, that's it. Inler, which is actually really good, but I hate him. Then next we have nobody. Oh, Doumbia. The old Doumbia, actually. Doumbia is now Newcastle. He's 91 pace. I mean, like, he's so good. This guy got 90 pace, actually. This guy got 90 pace as well. And Tap has 91 pace. Of Kamara Abaye with 92 pace. Oh, we got Kamara with like the purple version. He's the second purple, I think. Oh, it's Chesney. From Arsenal to AS Roma. He's not even at Arsenal anymore. There's a guy named Jesus. Oh, hell, Jesus. We got Texeria, though. Oh, that's going up high, actually. 4,680 for Texeria. Not too shabby. Just give me non-rares. And then, oh my freaking hell. My luck, like when I didn't sign in, was just OP, over 9,000. Come on. Oh, shit! Holy shit! I literally freaked out. Oh my god. Legend Campbell. This is not a troll. This is definitely not a troll. Like, look, save. It's Legend Campbell. 1, 2, 3. This is legit. Sol Campbell. Nobody knew his price. He's like extinct. Oh wait. He's... Oh my... He's 247,000 coins. Holy crap. Jeez. Okay, I'm just gonna open the next pack and I'm gonna go outside. And we've gotten 3 informs. We've got 3 informs actually. My brother is now in this. Got Jones. Oh, Ter Stegen. I actually like Ter Stegen. But lately Barcelona has not gotten the good keeper. We have another, like, another Doumbia. That's not the right Doumbia. Oh my god, it wasn't even close. Last year there's the skate pack, which is so OP. Like, I would want that back in the game. Oh, we got 2 purples. We got 2 purples, mate. Every time there's gold non-rares, I was like, oh my god, did I just got Team of the Year? I would never expect Team of the Years from these. Got Atsu, which is pretty nice. 25 packs. 26 packs. Luckily, this is free. I love things that are free, actually. Oh, really? Damn it, Louise. And Al-Shalawi. I'm having problems calling that guy's name, just like Gonth. But Balotelli, though. He's like the dumbest person in soccer. No offense. Oh, we got Gignac. I called the Gignac, I didn't give a damn about Joe. I called the Gignac, I didn't give a damn about Joe. I called the Gignac, he said, I don't give a damn. He said, oh, hey, oh, ding, dang. Walla walla bing bang, oh, hey, oh, ding, dang, walla walla bang bang. Oh, hey, oh, ding, dang, walla walla bing bang, oh, hey, oh, ding, dang, walla walla bang bang. Wait, are we even opening the right packs? I think we're opening the wrong pack, actually. Troll the Year pack. Seems legit. Oh my god, we have Troll Touring Troll Godin. Yep, we have chose the wrong one. So, next up, we have absolutely no one. Oh, oh my god! Holy cow! We got the Realty of the Year Cruz, the Fake of the Year Pinto, the Fake of the Year Lolo, the Fake of the Year Rooney. So, let's see who's next on our list. I think we're gonna get no one. Yep, I had it in my mind. In my mind. In my mind. Gotta find some diamonds in my mind. Shooting arrows in the air, cause there's monsters every. Oh my god! That looked like Neuer, but Starkey. I wish they could oh my god! Who the hell's this guy? He has 16 defending! Holy cow, you suck! This guy has higher defending than you, and he's still Ceramid. I voted Starkey to be like the keeper of the year, not Neuer. Oh my god, troll Fernando Torres. Imagine this is imagine this is on FIFA. Seriously, people would be scared the crap out. Like, oh my god, we have a blue. Oh, fudge you, EA. It'll be like that, I guess. Come on. Oh my. There's a guy with 32 defending. Marshall's 24 defending. 21 defending and right mid. Oh my god, what's with the defense here? Seriously, what's with the defense? They're not even defending well. Like, the highest defending rating was a Team of the Year center back. Troll center back, actually, with 82 defending, which I hope I could buy that guy, actually, because that is some high defense out there. I think we got no one. I'm just gonna look away. Seriously, I'm looking away. 3, 4, 5. Oh, shh! Oh! I'm trying not to scream right now, but holy crap! We just got Team of the Year Alarm. Oh my god! Imagine if I got Team of the Year Ronaldo. Actually, I would just be screaming, like, for my freaking life. I'm not gonna look on this either. Let's see. Okay, seriously, bro. Just put this back in the. Just put this back in my bed, guy. And then we. Oh shit! Oh my god. I'm done. I'm done. You get out of here. I'm done. Holy crap! Oh my god, we got Alonso! This is FIFA 12 team of the year. I think this is FIFA 12. Could you please just get out of the room? The reason why I just said that was that I was kidding because I was looking at my brother because he's bringing my teddy bear. And then for some reason I looked here and fudge sake, I got team of the year. Seriously. I did not know. Like, I didn't even peek at the screen. I'm not even joking. And we got, oh my god, Troll Bittner, Troll Cruz, Troll Pinto, and we got Rolando. It's not Rolando. Just shut up, please. We got Troll Rolando. We will never get Ronaldo because I have to go out right now. Bro, could you please just stop doing it? Oh, stop! Oh my god, you would not believe me. You would not believe what I just packed.
Oh my goodness.
He knows EA, guys. He knows FIFA. Okay? He's a fan of Ronaldo. So when he saw that 97 card, he was like, oh my god.
Yes.
He said give him a kiss. Well, guess what? No. In FIFA 12. I think this is FIFA 12 actually. Not sure. Is this FIFA 12? I think this is FIFA 12. Oh, this is FIFA 13. I'm such a dumb idiot. Shoot, I'm a dumb idiot. I did not notice that I got Team of the Year Ronaldo. If we get Team of the Year Messi, I'd be so glad. Seriously. Oh my god.
What?
Yeah. Oh my god, you would not expect what I just packed.
Oh, right.
Yep. That was weird. I just got Ronaldo. I just got Messi and Silva. I just got Messi and Silva. Guys, believe me. This is Totti Silva and Totti Messi in FIFA 15. Oh my freaking god. I am so scared for my life now. We have Messi and Ronaldo. We've got 97 Ronaldo. We've got 98 Messi. We've got 93 Alonso. We've got 93 Silva. We've got 93 Cruz. We've got Aguero. Imagine this is on EA. Like, EA, if you put this in, I love you. Like, I literally love you. Seriously. We get fake Hazard, fake Doumbia, and we got... Oh my... I am done. I am so done. Oh my god, we got Team of the Year. Okay, so my mom is calling me an idiot and a madman. But we've got Team of the Year Ribery from FIFA 14. I'm definitely sure that was... I'm definitely sure that's FIFA 14. and David Luiz, which is definitely FIFA 15. Luiz is just a jerk. Seriously, my pack luck is just unbelievable. I'm not even gonna look at this one. We're gonna get a team of the year. Seriously, I'm not looking. So where's the ow, 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 ow? I cannot see. You're just gonna stand up, I guess. So 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We have got 99 Ness! We've got 99 Ronaldo! And 95 Iniesta! 94 Silva! Oh my god, look at the hype though! 1 mil! We've got Team of the Year Silva! Oh my god, what happened to my voice now? Plus, Team of the Year Ronaldo! Plus, Iniesta, FIFA 15. I'm gonna save that. That is just incredible. That is dumb. How do you do that? Oh my god. Where's that place me in the leaderboards? I have 1,135,000. I got 1,135,000, so I don't know where that takes me. I'm definitely sure I'm not in the top 200, I guess. Maybe. Yep, a lot of these people got like good, better, that have better and like have better packs than me. And you know what? I don't care. We packed 97 Messi. 97 Ronaldo. We packed 99 Ronaldo. We packed 98. 98 Messi. We packed 93 Silva twice. Like, unbelievable. Like, I'm just like, oh my god, unbelievable. I got 1.1 mil, I guess. There we go. Right there. I have 442. Nice. Well, I'm just gonna do packs. That's just too long. There we go. Troll of the Year. Let's continue. We have got these, like, sick players. Because, you know what? I'm just gonna close my eyes again. My luck would be so good if I close my eyes. Like, seriously. My luck has been great. Okay. We could get either Team of the Year Robben, Team of the Year Neuer, or Team of the Year Dani Alves, Marcelo, Pogba. Then I'd be impressed. 1, 2, 3. I cannot scream, but we've got Team of the Year Neuer. Oh my god, he's 96 rated. Still. Oh my god. Holy crap. I'm never gonna sleep. I'm never gonna sleep without opening these packs. We have got Team of the Year Neuer now. Holy cow. Literally, cows. And we, oh my, oh! Oh my god! We have got the troll burn of David Luiz, but we still got Team of the Year Robin. Oh my god, what a troll. Got Team of the Year Robin and FIFA 15. So you know what? I'm just gonna turn my chair around. We're not gonna get anyone, definitely, because our luck can't be that great. 1, 2, 3. Yup. Finally our luck's over. Finally. We've got Neuer, we've got Robin, we've got Ronaldo, we've got Messi, we've got 97 Ronaldo, 97 Messi. Finally our pack luck is back to its worst condition. Thank God. And we got, oh, that is a burn. 93 Alonso. 93 Alonso. That's FIFA 13. Alonso, FIFA 13. Save that. Oh my god, this is the best pack ever. Wait. Let's see what the first place person have got as the best. That's 8 mil worth of hype. And what does he got? Oh my god! Jesus Christ. Oh my god, look at his cards. 5 Team of the Years and a fake Team of the Year. Team of the Year Ronaldo, 97. Team of the Year Iniesta, 96. Team of the Year Ibra, 96. Team of the Year Lam, 95. And the other Lam. And FIFA 15 Lam. And the FIFA 14 Lam. Holy cow. He is just dumb. Pack luck's just gonna be bad. It's gonna be... I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Seriously. Now we've got TV and Cruz. Okay. My luck is just either very awesome or you guarantee a Team of the Year. It could be fake or not fake. I'm not sure. I don't know. How long have I been recording this? 28 minutes. Let's open a few more packs, then after that, I think we have to go. So, we're gonna get no one, that's... Oh! God! Holy shoot! We got 2 Team of the Years! Team of the Year's Casillas and Team of the Year Ibra. Ibra should definitely be Team of the Year. It's FIFA 14, yep, I know it, but this guy's 13, yeah. FIFA Team of the Year Ibra, FIFA 14. And Team of the Year Casillas. FIFA 13. So that is not a troll Team of the Year. Because I have never thought Casillas as a Team of the Year. I'm just gonna look away. And we've got... Oh, thank God our luck is back. I cannot take it. I'm... Like, Futhead, you're gonna kill me. I'm just gonna... put my hand with eggs on the chairs, and we go. Oh! Oh my God! 99 Ronaldo. Oh my God! Thierry Ronaldo in FIFA 15. His stats in that game and that part was just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Like, it's just awesome. I'm pretty sure we get no. Yep, I saw that Ramos, that fake Ramos, then I just knew it. He got a 68 and a 59. Though there's like a silver and a bronze. I'm just gonna close my eyes for this one, because I'm pretty sure we get no one, and I'm just gonna hold it. And we've got absolutely no one except for Company. Actually, Company's actually a good card. Our average is 43,000 for some reason. Our hype is just weird. I think I get no one. I'm pretty sure. I can tell you that. Okay, I retreat my previous statement. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna save this. We're just gonna save that. And you know what? I'm done. The name's Steven to Desmond. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.